It's a miracle that happened. Do I search for an explanation? Only one did.
Hi guys, good morning. This is your coach, Romeo Rovillos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you can hear and see me okay. Okay. So today guys, actually enable ko muna yung camera. Ayan guys, today nasa outing ako ng dating company. In-invite nila ako kung saan ako nag-work. And today guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano i-encash yung payout natin through BDO account. Alright? Pwede kayong kumuha ng cash card or mag-apply ng bank account. May maintaining balance lang yun na 2,000. Pero pag cash card, wala naman. Alright? So, buksan muna natin yung dashboard natin guys. Syempre, sa Facebook. Okay? Datan ko yung picture ko, okay? And then, medyo mabagal siya. So, let's go to payout. Okay. So, payouts. So, I'll pick BDO account. May CTBC payout, that's for international members or affiliate ng Facebook. You can request for CTBC payout or through money payout. Yung mga naunang members or affiliate ng Facebook na meron ng na nauna na nag-apply ng true money payout. Alright? So, sorry about those pop-ups. It's normal guys. Doon din ko makita yung company natin. So, punta tayo sa new payout. Okay? And then, let's pick cash card sa card type. And then, that's my account number. Ilalagay ko lang yung account name. Okay, let me do it quickly guys, okay? Sorry. There, my last name. Okay, so meron tayong 13,300 sa wallet natin. 13,300, tama ba? Okay, so 13,300. Ilalagay ko lang yung pin ko guys, para yan, puputulin ko na lang din. Nasa resort tayo ngayon. So yan, wallet balance na natin is 0. And sa history, doon natin makikita yung ni-request natin. 13,300. Okay? So less 5% of 665, magiging 12,635 na lang siya guys. Alright? That goes to the company para sa system maintenance and upgrade natin. Okay? Okay, so that's all for today guys. Pag may mga questions kayo, or if you want to learn how to earn and start earning here on Facebook, just let me know guys. I'll be here to guide you along with Coach Neil Puserio, okay, the head coach of Team Champions. Okay? And again, this is your coach, Romeo Roberto Rovillos, your mentor room, and have a great day to all of you guys. Bye for now.